If you have a good, full, and a fluffy, natural hairstyle, this particular hairstyle will be good for you. Why not try it out with your natural hairstyle and thank me later? This particular hairstyle was just done with her natural hair, no extension added. That is why it is called a protective hairstyle, because you know sometimes more of other things we add to our hair might lead to hair breakage or something like that, but this particular braid was done with just her natural hair and it came out so neat. If you're just seeing my video for the first time, you're welcome to Favor Beauty World channel, where I make videos about beauty, fashion, hairstyle, and everything that it is good. So many good and interesting content. Look at how neat the braid is being sectioned, how neat it is being braided, and everything. This is just a work of a talented hairstylist on a natural, full, and healthy hair. Wow. Tell me, will you be trying out this particular hairstyle? Let me see, if you have a good, full, and a fluffy hair, will you be trying it out? This particular one you're seeing here too is a full and a fluffy natural kinky twist. This twist was done with kinky hair extension, and this particular one too was so beautiful. It looks so beautiful and good. Please, if you are yet to subscribe to the channel, hit on the subscribe button, like this video, share this video, and leave a comment. And do not forget to tell me where you're watching from. Thanks for watching. Bye.